Hello, it is August 16th, 2016. We video blog all the time here at Oriental Rug Care. We have this customer here whose fringes were totally damaged and they wanted longer fringes. So they didn't want the classic machine fringes that we have. Nothing personal to us. We have it here for people that are on a budget, but for the people that want it done right, we actually do it by hand. Natural fringes. It's a time-consuming process where we use the right color warp string, cotton string that will work for the project, and we do it by hand. We do it every day. You're always doing it, Miss Evelyn, aren't you?
Yes, always, every day.
Every
I
day.
have more to do next.
Tons of rugs in the process to do it. Beach, on Palm Beach. And of course, fringes. We love doing fringes by hand. We're doing tons of it. You see Miss Evelyn is working on this. Look how beautiful it is. And this is where she's at right now. A lot of work is involved to get this natural looking fringe. And the next process is a long process. It is tying the knots. OrientalRugCare.com